Aloha, foodies. Today, we're bringing a taste of the tropics to your kitchen with our crispy coconut prawns. Imagine succulent prawns enveloped in a golden, coconut-infused crunch. It's a tropical paradise on a plate. I'm Quirky Quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this crispy and delicious journey. Before we embark on this tropical adventure, let's gather our ingredients. For the marination, 500 gm prawns, large size, peeled and deveined with tail on. 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 teaspoons oil. Salt to taste. Juice of 1 lemon. For the coating, 1 cup grated dry coconut. 1 cup bread crumbs. 1/2 cup refined flour. 2 whisked eggs. Oil for frying. Handful of coriander to garnish. In a medium bowl, add lemon juice, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger, garlic paste, oil and salt. Mix well. Add the prawn to marination mix. Mix well and marinate for 5-10 minutes. In a separate bowl, add the breadcrumbs to the bowl. To the same bowl with the breadcrumbs, grate the dry coconut into it. Once the prawns have marinated for 5-10 minutes, coat them in refined flour, then dip in the egg and then coat with the coconut crumbs. Deep fry for 2 minutes on medium heat till golden. Once they're out of the oil, let them rest on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Garnish with coriander. And there you have it, your crispy coconut prawns, a tropical crunch ready to be enjoyed. If you're ready for a taste of the tropics, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exotic recipes. Enjoy this crispy and delicious journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!